Hey, Drew and Crystal, I just got it back from detail, got everything ready. Just wanted to give you a quick look at it. That way you'd see it before you got here tonight. Look forward to seeing you soon. That red looks gorgeous on it. It's got the right color interior. Got your fancy SL wheels. Sensors on the back. She's here and ready. Give you a view of the inside too here. So, back space trunk area with all your netting. Got your pull tabs right here, so you can pull those to lay the back seats down whenever you need to. Go to the back seats. Charcoal interior instead of that almond. I know you wanted the charcoal. Vents in the back, plenty of room. Consoles in the middle, USB ports in the middle for chargers, phones, iPads, whatever. And then of course, the business end up front here. So here she is, here, ready to go, waiting for you. So we'll see you tonight. Thanks again, guys.